MATLAB is not free software, and so you will not be able to install it on your own computer. However, with Desktop at UCL Anywhere, you can access your applications and files from any computer or device, providing that you have an internet connection. This tutorial will show you how. You can find Desktop via the ISD web pages. Just look for the link at the right hand side of the screen. Log in with your UCL username and password. The first time that you do this, you'll be prompted to download and install the Citrix receiver. I've already done this. From the main screen, you have access to your apps and desktops. Let's have a look at desktops first. Opening the desktop viewer gives you access to your N drive, which is the same one that you connect to when you log into one of the lab PCs. You also have access to your local drives, and this will allow you to transfer files to or from your PC if you wish. At the moment, I can only see my N drive. My own C drive, the local drive of this computer, is not showing. If you experience this problem, you can go to Preferences and look at the file access options. I'm going to allow read and write access to my local drives. On my own computer, I found that the local drive can sometimes take a long time to appear. If you're experiencing difficulties, you could always try closing the viewer and then reopening it again. I'm going to locate a file on my N drive and copy it to my local computer. The file that I'm looking for is in the MATLAB folder. I'm going to copy this myfun to my desktop of my local computer. The desktop is usually found in the Users folder of your local computer. If we minimize all of the windows, we'll see that the file is now located on my desktop. Let's return to Desktop at UCL Anywhere and have a look at the apps. The apps screen is where you'll find the software that you have access to in the PC labs. You need to install the apps before you can use them, and this can be done via the plus button at the left hand side of the screen. I've already installed MATLAB, and so I'll go ahead and click to open it. There are a lot of definitions to load, so you need to be patient whilst it opens. Notice that you also have an option to load an instance of an internet browser from the apps window. All of the apps are hosted by the N drive, and so files that you download through the browser will be stored there instead of on your computer. If you get impatient and you click the MATLAB app again, then you'll get a second instance of MATLAB opening. This is the main MATLAB interface. You'll notice that there are a lot of areas to look at. Don't worry, because everything that you can see is there to help you. For now, we'll just take a look at the current folder panel, which appears on the left. This is where our work will be saved. The default location is the N drive again, and this is the same whether you are working at home or in the lab. I suggest changing the current folder to the MATLAB subfolder so that it is kept separate from any of your other work. Now you're ready to start using MATLAB, and you can have a look at the next tutorial, which is called Getting Started with MATLAB.